You've just booked your dream trip to Hong Kong, but then your plans change. Or maybe you spot a cheaper fare for the exact same flight. What do? If you're flying Cathay Pacific, you've got options. Check Ciatra.com and let's break down everything you need to know about changing or canceling your flight and how to avoid paying unnecessary fees. Here's something most travelers don't know. Cathay program members can cancel their flights completely free within 24 hours of booking. No questions asked, but there's a catch. You need to book at least 8 days before departure. You must book directly through Cathay's website, app, or WeChat. Travel agent bookings don't qualify. Not a member yet? Join before you book. It's free and unlocks this valuable safety net. After that 24-hour window closes, standard change fees kick in. For most economy and promotional fares, you're looking at $150 per change. Plus, you'll pay any fare difference if your new flight costs more. Cathay Pacific is waiving all change and rebooking fees for flights scheduled between September and December 2026. If the airline changes your schedule, you can rebook for free with no $150 fee. There's also special flexibility for Middle East routes to Dubai, Riyadh, and Doha through March 2027. Just remember, you still pay fare differences. The waiver only removes the change fee itself. Changing your flight is straightforward if you booked directly. Log into Cathay Pacific's website or mobile app and navigate to Manage Booking or My Trips. Select your reservation and click Change this flight. The system shows available alternatives and calculates any fees or fare differences automatically. You can complete everything online without calling customer service. Wait times for customer service can average over an hour. Booked through a travel agent? You'll need to contact them directly. What about refunds? Expect 7 to 20 calendar days, depending on your payment method. Credit cards process faster than bank transfers. Award tickets follow different rules and are excluded from the 24-hour free cancellation benefit. Your miles will get redeposited when you cancel an award booking. Name changes are extremely restricted. You can fix minor spelling errors, but you can't transfer tickets to another person. Always double-check names against passports before booking. Bottom line, join the Cathay program before you book. Use the online portal for changes instead of calling. If you're traveling in late 2026, take advantage of those fee waivers. Want the full breakdown with step-by-step guides? Visit Ciatra.com or check the link in the description. Safe travels!